today we are going to be dealing with Project Rice's brakes, because let's face it, these brakes weren't very good when Uncle Schmidt left me the car. And now that we've got a supercharged V8 in this bitch, V8, if you don't fucking believe me, it says V8, it is a V8. But now that we got the V8 in there, obviously we've been having problems with the brakes. They're built for the shitty little 6-cylinder. It's a heavy car. Fucking got supercharged V8. We need to deal with the brakes. Now, all you're probably thinking, get some Brembo brakes up in that shit, but fuck that. Now, what we're gonna do is obviously the issue is the back brakes overheating. Like, that's obviously the issue. Overheating back brakes. And there's a simple solution. We're gonna install some vents. Here's how it's gonna go on. Gonna get all that hot air away from the brakes, get the back brakes working nice and good, and then we're gonna have solid back brakes, because everyone knows all you fucking need are the back brakes. You barely even use the front ones. It's all about the back brakes. That's why the parking brake is at the rear. You don't fucking need front brakes. I don't know why everyone, like, you see it on race cars all the time. They got massive fucking front brakes and then slightly smaller back brakes. No, man, you need back brakes. Otherwise, why would the emergency brake be at the back? Because obviously, in an emergency, you need to stop the back. I don't get it. Why are people fucking silly? Here we go. Hooking these vents up. Put it down like that. Oh man, that looks fucking good. I like that. Alright, that's definitely how we're putting it. Alright, well, anyone who's fucking looking for some rice, Blackout Mini Scoop Air, these things, they're fucking garbage. They do not stick at all. So I'm gonna have to fucking figure out a way to get it fucking stick in there. annoying as hell. Alright then. Now I did accidentally buy doubles. So I'm wondering if maybe I just didn't fucking clean it enough, or that rust patch is keeping it from sticking. I mean, that's how I want them. That looks mint. Fucking down here, that looks kind of stupid now. This is where I wanted it. So I'm wondering if I should try and stick this one on, and if it sticks, fucking open up the second one, put one there, and then put that one back into that package and return them and say they didn't work. But I mean, yeah, I really don't know what to do. Ooh, that's not good. That is not something I wanted to see. Well, you can bet that's not going to last very long then. These ones are doing great, man. Fucking windshield wipers don't knock them off at all. Alright, I guess I'm going to see if I can get this one on. And if I can, then I don't know what I'll do. That's it. It wasn't my fault. These literally do not work. Blackout mini scoop air. They do not work. Although now that I'm thinking about it, I do have another set of these. Would they look good back here? I don't know. Kinda like it, but at the same point, they're more of a hood vent than and I'm just gonna have to return them and be like, yeah, these were shit. Alright then, this is something I did not anticipate. Fucking BR, Boy Racer, fucking representing Cadillac Kid Productions. And I fucked up, man. I couldn't get the brake vents to work, so I guess, I mean, honestly, you don't need the brake. I mean, you just take the turn wide and drift that shit. So I guess we'll do without the brakes, but I mean, I'm seriously disappointed. I mean, those things weren't cheap. Fucking, I expected to improve my braking, and I find out that I'm not going to be able to improve it. I mean, I'm rocking a supercharged V8 in this thing with brakes intended for a V6. Like, that's a huge letdown. So, this is a shout out to the car community. Blackout Mini Scoop Air. Do not buy these. They say they go on a 320Z. They say they go on a... What the fuck is that? I would have said that's a Honda Civic, but that is not the rear end of a Honda Civic. Okay, do not buy these things, but also, what the fuck car is that? If you know what car that is, let me know. But yeah, so these were a huge disappointment, huge letdown. I'm genuinely upset that that didn't fucking work. I tried using zip ties, punching a hole in, but, nah. So, I'm gonna have to, yeah, this Project Racer's saying, fuck brakes, you don't need them.